Does dropshipping still work in 2024? It's probably the first question that you had in your mind when you saw this video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining not only why dropshipping is here to stay and how you can also start a dropshipping store effectively in 2024. And you guys may ask, who is this guy talking about dropshipping? My name is Paul, and I started my dropshipping journey about 12 months ago, and I was able to accumulate over 7 figures just last month alone. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 key points that I was able to learn throughout my journey to help you guys start your own dropshipping store, because it is very possible. Make sure you guys stay tuned till the end of this video, because the last point, you guys don't want to miss that. The first point is going to be finding the winning product. A lot of you guys tend to waste a lot of time in this process, and I think it's because these gurus and all the big names in the space of e-commerce tend to overcomplicate this process and really confuses a lot of people. And I found an easier and more effective way that you guys can implement to find your first winning product. That's going to be you guys scrolling through social media like Instagram and TikTok, looking for an ad that you think will solve a problem or fill a desire in the market. If you guys find a product like a toy, it can be a winning product, but it's always best to carefully select your product with the idea that if the product that you want to sell fills the market desire, that can be fear, wish, hope, dreams of the market. If you guys see an ad and you see it's one of those dropshipping products, interact with them. That tricks the algorithm to show you more dropshipping products on your Instagram ads. The only problem is people try to test their product for maybe a week or two. Most of the products are a winning product, but the major problem that people really don't pay attention to is their ads. And if your creative isn't resonating with the market that you're trying to target, you're essentially targeting the wrong market. Therefore, you're not going to get any sales. Finding a winning product is very important, but try to stick along with it as long as you really believe your product provides value to the market and it also fills the desire of the market. Moving on to the second point, which is going to be creating a converting website. So a lot of you guys may spend so much time trying to select the theme of the Shopify that you guys want to use. Those small little things are pretty irrelevant if you guys are looking at this from the macro perspective. So what I like to do is try to research big companies that are selling a similar product as you or in the same niche as you and see how their website funnel is looking like. Try to select 3 to 4 competitors and combine all these 4 websites into your website and add a little twist and make yours look better. And also, when you guys are doing the market research and you guys find those big competitors, you guys can check how they're running their ads on Facebook ad library, analyze why their video is working well, and try to implement the same exact concept in the backbone to your videos. Also, on the second point, the supply chain is very important, where you guys have to find a supplier to be able to provide you with the product, especially when you guys are just starting out and it may be hard to find a supplier for you guys. So there's actually a company that I started using when I started dropshipping, and their name is Autods. So essentially, Autods, they have multiple different features. First and foremost, they have a whole page that shows you the best sellers. So these are all the winning products that was already proven to work, that has a high demand, and these winning products are refreshed and renewed every single day. So as you guys can see, after a couple minutes, they have updated their winning product page. The one thing I really like about this website is how easy the fulfillment process is, and also finding a supplier. For Autods actually partnered up with multiple different supplier companies, and they can provide you with a reliable supplier with the best price. Just to be fully transparent, Autods is sponsoring me to show you guys the website that they have. They specifically told me to be transparent with you guys on my opinions about their website and their services. And to be honest, if I'm just starting out dropshipping, Autods literally has so many different features that is so beneficial in terms of, product research. If you click on the product, it also shows you who your market audience is and a video that's currently working for that product. If you guys want to give Autods a try, they actually gave you guys some crazy amount of free stuff that you guys can kind of leverage. You guys can use my referral code link down below in the description. They give you 15-day extra free trial, and they give you 20% on the first sign-up bonus. And there's so many different bonuses that you guys can leverage when you guys first start dropshipping. Last point that I want to get across to you guys, if you want to be successful in dropshipping in 2024, is I can't say this enough. You guys need to practice how to make a good ad. What I did was I practiced my ad creative skill set by posting organic TikTok, around 3 to 4 posts every single day. There are a lot of resources out there on how to create an organic TikTok video, but nonetheless, you guys will not be able to make a good ad if you guys don't practice. Even though you guys do your research, you guys will only be able to obtain that skill set by practicing it on a daily basis. I would strongly advise you guys to first not try to pay for ads, because the first 100 ads is going to be shit and and will not work if you guys run paid ads with it. Try to make organic TikTok ads, and again, going back to the second point, see how other brands are running their ads and try to analyze why their video is performing well, what type of concept that they're going for. Before you guys post, try to have a hypothesis on why the video that you're about to post will perform good or bad. Write that down, and after around 3 to 5 days later, come back and see how your video performed. And trust me guys, you're not getting views. Don't waste time contemplating whether if your account is shadow banned. Most likely your video is just not good enough for TikTok to push you out to the farther algorithm. The only way for you guys to obtain that skill set is for you guys to really experience through failure, self-analyze, reflect, and re-optimize. After you guys find those winning videos, eventually you guys will move on to TikTok paid ads, which is also called Spark ads. You could try to implement all the knowledge that you're able to obtain by you guys practicing with the organic ads. And if that doesn't work out, there's actually a company that offers to make a guaranteed winning paid video. So their website is actually called Viral Ecom Ads. And to be fully transparent, I am getting sponsored by these guys too, but the guys that I partnered up with are the people that I actually trust and that I've actually worked with before. So for example, Viral Ecom Ads, I've bought a couple of their packages with their proven winning Facebook ads. And to be honest, out of 3 videos, only 2 of them was a winning video, but nonetheless, 2 of them actually took off, was a huge plus for me. Just to be clear, I'm not forcing you guys to use these platforms, but if you guys are looking to get a paid ads just to see what the example of a winning video may look like, you guys can check them out. Link of this website will be in the description below. They're also offering you guys 20% off their first package. Again, my pure intention is the sponsors that I actually shook hands with are the ones that I truly think could add values to your progress of dropshipping journey. Yes, so I do have a last final bonus key point that I want to get across to you guys. Dropshipping is not easy. So if you guys treat dropshipping like a side hustle, it will not work. I can guarantee you guys right now, before you guys even take a foot into this journey, just because the entry level is very low in terms of the initial investment, which means you're gonna have a lot of competitors. But try to keep in mind that every time you face a roadblock, all these other guys that are trying to do exactly the same thing as you are also facing that. And the only way for you to be successful in dropshipping is if you guys really last. Every time there's a problem that you don't think is possible, just keep on pushing. And I promise you there's always a solution to every problem that you will face. That's a part of the journey. And be resourceful, please. Guys, there's so many people that are asking me how to start dropshipping. I 100% respect that. But you guys also have to understand YouTube is key. So all the questions that I had about dropshipping, everything was answered on YouTube. So please try to be resourceful and take initiative, because no one's going to do this for you. I promise you guys, if you guys made it till this end of this video, you really have the intention to start a dropshipping store. And I can guarantee you, if you guys don't quit, this is so doable as long as you believe in yourself, have faith in God and yourself as well. And I promise you guys, success is inevitable. This was Paul. I appreciate all of you guys that watched the end of the video. Peace out.